we are going to unbox Mulan. So if you see here, she's got two sets of clothes. Her warrior clothes and her matchmaker dress. Are you ready to open it? 1, 2, 3. Wow, how did that happen? Let's get some scissors. Are you ready to unbox Mulan? Here we go. So here we have the Mulan doll. She comes with a red dress and brown boots. So she's wearing her warrior bottom, but she's missing the top. So let's put it on. Okay, here she has her warrior outfit on, but now she's missing her helmet. Let's put her helmet on. So she has her armor on, including her helmet, but something's missing. Oh, it's the sword. The sword comes in two pieces, the sword and the sheath. We can put the sheath in the armor because there's a little hole in the armor. Now let's put the sword in Mulan's hand. Now she is ready to fight. Hiya! 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 Now let's put on her matchmaker dress and see how she looks like. Now let's take off her boots. Okay, you're ready to put on the matchmaker dress. Her dress is on, but we need the belt. Her belt is on, but now she needs lady boots. Doot, 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 doot. She looks so pretty. Now she can dance. Well, that's it for now. I hope you had fun unboxing Mulan doll with me. This is Suki again. See you soon. Bye.